On December 26, 2007, in a quiet village in Hubei, China, 8 people were brutally slaughtered inside a lime factory. And nearly 2 decades later, the killer is still at large. What dark secret hides behind this massacre? Hong'an County, Hubei Province. A rural, tightly knit village, with small communities and isolated buildings. In the dead of winter, the lime factory sat quietly against the frosty backdrop. Cold, isolated, silent. The perfect stage for something unspeakable. Among the victims were Wang Shishu, the 56-year-old factory owner, his wife, Chen Xiaoran, 54, a cousin who worked at the factory, along with his wife and 9-year-old daughter. The 3 additional laborers, all living on site. When workers arrived on the morning of December 27, 2007, they found an unthinkable scene. 4 bodies lay inside a bedroom. 1 in the kitchen. 1 by the roadside outside the factory. Some were murdered in their sleep, with a single, precise knife thrust. The youngest victim was only days away from her 10th birthday. Most of the victims never saw it coming. Wang's wife was found near the factory gate with her throat slit. 1 victim had been dumped into a roadside ditch. Clues pointed to a calculated killer. He wore EU size 40 leather shoes, roughly 170 centimeters tall, muscular, based on footprints and depth of step. Was it money? 6 weeks earlier, 15,000 yuan had been stolen from Wang's home. He was also preparing to sell the plant, a deal worth over 150,000 RMB. Police believed the killer was someone familiar with the factory's layout. Inside job, someone close. Despite offering a reward between 50,000 to 500,000 yuan, no one came forward. Why it's never solved? Hong'an was remote. No CCTV, no digital forensics, no witnesses. The killer likely disappeared before dawn. Despite extensive efforts and a nationwide alert, no matching suspects. No arrests. The case went cold. Popular theory, some believe it was revenge over the earlier theft. Others suggest a contract killing linked to the plant's sale. And some say it was a random psychopath, but the methodical nature points otherwise. The truth? Still lost. Who wore those shoes? Why was the wife killed at the gate? Why were some victims chosen first? Was the stolen money a motive, or a red herring? What do you think really happened at the Hubei lime factory? Like, subscribe and share your theory in the comments below.